Welcome to our TACTIX exercises. In this exercise we will work with the rare sequence. First of all, you need to download and install the gammaStar simulation and image reconstruction backends, which is needed to perform this exercise. Therefore, head over to the gammaStar website and navigate to the Fraunhofer GitHub repository as shown in the video. Next, you need to download the zip files as demonstrated here. Finally, extract the contents of the zip file to a place of your choice. You now need to start up the Docker engine and then double-click the build batch file to initiate the container building process. This will build the simulation environment and reconstruction environment in two separate containers. Wait until the process has finished. This may take a while as different phantom data is downloaded during the process. Finally, we start the simulation backend as shown in this video. Now head over to the gammaStar website and open up the rare sequence. You will see a plot of the sequence. From the protocol window, you can click through the various protocol parameters which are available for this type of sequence. If you want to change a parameter, you can edit the respective field and always click Apply Protocol afterwards. From the Execution tab, you can quick add the simulation device and send the sequence to the reconstruction and simulation server. Afterwards, you will see the simulation and reconstruction result, and you can click on the reconstruction step pipeline to see which types of reconstruction steps were applied. Now it's your turn to play around with the rare protocol parameters. Stop the video and try to create these image contrasts on your own first. The solutions will be demonstrated afterwards. If you want to create ghosting artifacts, you need to have a really short TR of around 1000 milliseconds. The T2-weighted image contrast can be achieved by choosing a larger TR, around 4000 milliseconds. Suppressing CSF signal is available by using an inversion recovery sequence with an inversion time of 2000 milliseconds. Suppressing white matter works in the same way, but you need to select an inversion time of around 450 milliseconds. Explanations for these different types of image contrasts and artifacts can be found in the lectures.